Hello, hello, hello. It's Jim here again with another Cryptohopper update. Now, in one of my videos from about 9 days ago, I showed you a setup for the high risk trading strategy on my paper trading bot. It's the one where I accidentally had to put $6,000 into it instead of $5,000, if you remember that one. Anyway, so it's been 9 days and I just wanted to give you an update on this strategy, what I like about it, what I don't like about it, and I'm doing that because I want to delete this bot and I want to create another one. However, I will create another bot in the next video. Alright, so I'm going to go through this with you now. If you remember, in the last video we set up with a high risk built-in strategy that Cryptohopper gives you. So it's basically something you just select from the options, okay, and set it up and then activate it. So here we are. So we've had some good trades. However, from $6,000 it's only made thus far, after 9 days, it's only made $80. And that is because when I started this, look at that, Bitcoin pumping, love it, love it. Alright, so if we go to 9 days ago, which was a Monday, what was 9 days ago? Let me look on my calendar here. Alright, so I recorded the video on Monday, Monday the 5th of February. So, and it's now the 14th, so that's 9 days. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, so it's 9 days, roughly 9 days, give or take an hour or two. Now, if we go back here to, what was it, Monday the 5th? We go back here, so that's, yeah, there we go. Monday the 5th, so that's where we started the bot. So it's been, you know, it's pumped since Monday the 5th. Bitcoin's pumped. However, that's why I'm not really flabbergasted with the profits, and that's, you know, it's just my settings. I've not opened enough positions. Each position size has not been big enough from a $6,000 balance. As you can see right now, it's only using $700, and it hasn't done many, if any, DCAs. Let's have a look. That one was a DCA because you can see the total value there is $97. So that was DCA'd. Let's have a look at all the trade results for the past 9 days. So here we are on the trade history page. Now these are my results. I'm just going to filter by results. As you can see, no losses because, you know, setups where it won't use a stop loss. So any positions that are open now are positions that have not yet come into profit. Okay, so these are all the buys down here at the bottom section because I've filtered by sells. Sells at the top. And it's not had that many really. The trailing stop loss kicked in a bit too early there and there. Some of them are quite good. Anything over 2% is good in my view. So yeah, let's have a look at the dashboard again, because Bitcoin's just started to pump now. Wow, look at that, 51k. It's gone from, this is the 1 hour chart. I thought it was going to dump around here. I thought it was going to dump a lot more, but it didn't. Anyway, it is pumping, and it's just starting to do well because Bitcoin's pumping. However, for the last 9 days, it hasn't done well enough for my liking. I mean, $80 for 9 days, yeah, that would pay for your subscription if you're on the cheapest plan for $29 a month. For what's that, 30 would be 60, about 2.5 months worth of the cheapest plan, that would be the profits enough for. However, I think I've not given it enough money to play with. What I mean is in here. I don't mean the total 6,000. I should have said, right, well, all right, let's have $100 positions. And I almost did in the last video, but I thought, no, better not, I'll be safe. Put it down to $50. So, tweaks for this strategy. Now, if you want all of the settings for this strategy, go back to my video on YouTube. In fact, let me bring it up for you. All right, let's have a look. It's this video here. Alright, so I only posted the video yesterday, but I recorded the video on Monday the 5th. And, you know, because I was doing all of these other ones first, these ones here. I started with the low risk, then the medium risk, then the high risk. So I record a bunch of videos and then I upload them on a later date. So this video was recording on the 5th, or Monday the 5th of February. It's been 9 days since then. We're on the 14th today. Happy Valentine's Day. So it's been going 9 days. What would I do to improve this? Let's find out. Just have a look in the trade history. When was the first trade? Should be down at the bottom theoretically. 2nd of the 8th. What's that? 8th of the 2nd. Let's have a look. Yeah. I think that was the first trade. Yeah, it was Link, wasn't it? Alright. So, and what was the time? 5:56. I mean, it's, what time is it now? 4:15. Give or take an hour, like I said. So maybe an hour from now, an hour and 30 minutes from now will be exactly 9 days, if you get my drift. So what would I do to improve it? I would go into the config here with this strategy, keeping most of the settings the same. Alright, but I'd probably increase that to maybe 15, 16, 18, maybe 20. And I would tweak it up just a little bit. Save that. Too many coins in this subscription. It's switched back to an Explorer subscription. No problem. Alright. Back into coins and amount. Take one coin out. So what can we take out? One that I don't like as much. That one. Alright. Okay, click on save. And we're going to increase this estimated buy amount for each position. So let's have a look at what 2%. Would that be a little bit too much? 1.7%. 102, maybe 1.6%. 96, still a bit high. 1.5. I'd probably change it to somewhere there. Obviously, you know, you don't have to. $1.25 would give me 75. I'm quite happy with that, you know. So I'll change that as well. Okay, leave that at 6,000, and I've got force minimum buy switched on. Save that. Alright, so that moving forward should give better results, a little bit more profit than $80 for 9 days, because I don't think $80 profit using $6,000 of funds is enough. You just tweak it up slowly. Yeah, you don't want to overdo it, get too greedy all at once, because that's when you run into problems. Am I going to leave this for another running, a week for another running? Talking gibberish. Am I going to run it for another week, this test strategy? No, because I want to clear this bot out, and I want to make another video with a different strategy. So yeah, that is how I would tweak it. Just changing the number of buys. I thought I changed that. Change the number of buys and change the amount that it's buying, and perhaps dollar cost averaging. You could do that as well. You could go, right, well, I'll tweak that as well. Yeah, could maybe put triple down. Alright, so yeah, that is basically what I would do to improve that strategy. Just a smidgen. Just alter it a smidgen. Don't, you know, I wouldn't put like $200 in for the buy orders and 20 positions, whatever, because 20 times 200, calculate it, 20 times 200, bloody calculate, I'm getting double clicks on my mouse. There we go. Alright, 4,000. No, I wouldn't use $200 in each position over 20 positions, because it would spend $4,000 out of my 6,000, which would leave only 2,000 in reserve. So I would probably go down a bit. I would probably go for something like, I don't know, 15 positions times $75. Yeah. What would 16 give me? Add another 75. Yeah, I'd stick it at 15 positions, $75 each. That is what I would set up now to improve this strategy. Alright, bear in mind, in the past 9 days, Bitcoin hasn't only gone up, it's gone down a fair bit as well. So, coins and amounts, $75 and 15 positions, giving us that number that we just saw there. And then don't forget to save it after. Alright, so as you can see, this is doing quite well now that Bitcoin's decided it's going to pump. It's gone up. In a couple of hours it's gone from 49.8 to right up to 51.4. So you know, that makes a difference when that happens with the bot. Bitcoin suddenly decides to take off. Things that were in the red will suddenly start coming up again into the green. And it happens, just part and parcel of trading. I'm going to click on timetable. It's going to start searching for new targets in 515 seconds. The last target it found was Matic. However, it did not. Yes, it did. It did buy Matic. Alright, so where's Matic? Should be on there. There it is. 1 minute ago. Alright, so it's because I've changed it to 15 positions from 14. It's now added a new position, and that was Matic there. Alright. And has it? Yeah, $75. Almost. So that is it. That is how I would improve this trading strategy from the one that I showed you in yesterday's video. Alright. That is the strategy that's been running for 9 days. Now, guys, if you want the secret sauce, which I have available for anybody getting Cryptohopper through my link, you have to contact me on Skype, okay? There's a link below this video and below all of my Cryptohopper videos where you can click that and it'll give you instructions on how to contact me in Skype, okay? And it's also, it has it has. I just click on my channel. Alright, let me see.
Jim here from
Just minimize that. Alright, so that's how I always put my videos. So you can see the link there, guys. So you click that. If you want to get Cryptohopper through my link and you want help via Skype, you click that and you go in there and you watch these instructions here. It will tell you how to get hold of me on Skype. It will give you my Skype ID on there, and I've got links there for Binance, TradingView and Cryptohopper. Okay, make sure my affiliate ID, if you click this, make sure my affiliate ID shows up here. Look, did you see it? 15412. Now it only appears for a couple of seconds, then it disappears. Alright, then create an account and buy a subscription, then contact me on Skype, tell me you've just subscribed to Cryptohopper with my link. I will look in my affiliate stats in my dashboard inside of Cryptohopper. I will see that there's been a new sale, and I'll get back to you and I'll give you a link for my secret sauce. Okay, right, like, comment, subscribe, guys. Share this video if you want to be extra helpful, and I'm starting a Telegram group soon as well, so we can all help each other with Cryptohopper inside there. So if that sounds cool to you, that's free, by the way. That sounds cool to you, all you have to do is get Cryptohopper through my link. Alright guys, thanks for watching. See you again in the next video. Bye bye.